Hi, in this video I will show you the easy fix when you connect your iPad or iPhone with your Mac and you are trying to access the photos folder using your Mac. So let's get started. So this is a common issue or common problem you can say. So once you connect your iPhone or iPad with your Mac devices, and if you come here after opening the Finder, when you click the photos, then you will unable to access. You will get this type of message like iPhone or iPad is using iCloud or photos. You can access every photos and video you take from any device. To sync photos from the Mac, turn off iCloud photos. Okay, so that means we need to turn off iCloud photos, then the problem will be fixed. So to fix this issue, at first we need to jump to our iPad or iPhone. So I'm jumping to my iPhone or iPad, this device. Once you are in this device, then we have to go settings tab. So I'm tapping on top of the settings, and then we will go to the settings panel of our iPhone or iPad. Once we are in the settings, then we have to scroll down a little bit in this way, and we have to come to the Apple main application, and here you will find on application is called photos. We just need to tap on top of the photos, and once we tap the photos, right side you will see the photos window will be there. Here on the right side you will see an option that is called iCloud photos. There is switch button like thing. Just tap on top of the switch button and it will be like gray color, and it will be turn off the iCloud photo synchronization thing. Okay, and that's all. So we successfully turned off this thing. Now let's jump to our computer and check whether we are able to access the photos for backup or some other purposes. But before going to that step, so far I saw if you try to do that, you cannot do that. What we have to do, we have to disconnect the device. So I just disconnected my device. That's why you are not seeing my iPad or iPhone device is not there. So again I'm going to connect. Once I connect, then you will see that the device is there. Okay, so now I'm seeing my device. That means the iPad is there. Again I'm telling you I'm using iPad for this tutorial, but the tutorial will be the same for iPhone or iPod. Now let's click the iPad or iPhone to access that device. So I just clicked on iPad, and then it is showing on the right side, and from here if I click the photos, then I will see I can access the photos section, and from here we can manually take backup or can synchronize with our computer or something like that. Okay, now it is easily accessible, and that's all guys. You can easily fix that warning or message by disabling the iCloud from your phone, I mean iPhone or iPad devices. Thank you guys for watching the video. If this video is helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and hit the like button. See you on the next video.